If you're not going to run the webinar yourself, you can easily make someone else a presenter. Presenters don't need a ClickMeeting account, just a URL. To invite presenters and provide them with the URL, go to the dashboard of your account panel, hover over Actions next to your event, and click Invite. Choose Presenters and consider your options. You can copy and paste your presenters' email addresses or type them here. Remember to separate them with commas. You can also search for the name or email in your contact book if you have already added them there. Use the link down below the video to learn more about managing your contacts. If you have previously added a presenter using the Manage Presenters option, you can select them from the presenters list. To learn how to do that, use the link in the description below. After you've made your choice, click I've finished adding contacts. Choose Email Template and make your selection. Confirm by clicking Invite. Your presenter will receive an email with a unique event room URL. To enter the event room, the presenter needs to click the link. After entering their name and email address, your presenter will be transferred to the event room. Your presenters have full control of all the event room features, including starting and ending an event. That means you, as a host, don't even have to be present. If, however, you wish to deny your presenters the right to start and end the event, go back to the account panel and choose Manage Presenters from the top menu. Toggle the button to the off position, and you won't have to worry about your presenters ruining your event by mistake. In this case, please remember that you, as a host, must be present in the event room to start it at the right time. There is an alternative to inviting a presenter that can be used as a backup option. Go to the account panel and click the name of the event. Click on Room URL for a presenter and copy it. Paste it in any texting app or email that you like. Anyone who clicks the link will enter your event room with presenter rights. If, by any chance, the person that was meant to be a presenter enters the room with the wrong link and doesn't have presenter rights, you can quickly fix that. Simply click their name in the attendee list and choose the Make Presenter option. That's it. Now you can easily run webinars with multiple presenters. Have a great event!